In this video, I'll share with you a few ways that you can integrate alvik into the Victorian curriculum. So here on the Victorian curriculum website, I'm scrolling down to the year level 7 and 8. It doesn't take much imagination to find links to the Victorian digital technologies curriculum. The handling of data and information obviously stands out, as alvik has built-in sensors that you can pull data from. There is the creating digital solutions where students can develop algorithms to control the robot and to use data from the sensors. Mathematical connections can easily be linked to patterns and algebra, measurement and geometry from year 7 to 10, and statistics and probability. There is plenty of room for mathematics discussion with alvik. Finally, in the science curriculum, we have the physical sciences, where you can explore topics like forces and motion, using alvik as a demonstration for how forces are acting on the robot as it moves. You can also link to the science inquiry skills, once again using alvik sensors to investigate conditions in the environment. Perhaps you could use alvik to navigate to an area which is not accessible by humans and collect data from that area. You could also discuss the transformation of energy, how electricity is transformed and used throughout alvik's operation is also open for exploration. Alvik is available from Packronics now. If you're looking for an innovative way to teach digital technologies, integrate science and mathematics, alvik presents you with a huge range of opportunity to create unique and engaging learning experiences for your students. Take a look on the Packronics website or give them a call to find out how Packronics can help you create engaging opportunities for your students.